crew.
Alright.
Nobody says, right? No, these motherfuckers back in here easy up.
Hey, we found an easy way, didn't we?
Yes, it is.
Hell yeah, this is going to be no problem.
Yeah, it's all flat.
Yeah. Just take a left out of here.
How did you guys get back?
Luck. Because you can't
126
see
to
this trail. This trail, like, doesn't exist up there. It's weird. There's just enough light to see a log that I crossed over back there.
Did you put a light on your KTM real quick?
No, I'm just wearing this.
Oh, cool.
It's pretty bright, though.
Yeah, no, I could see you. Even though you're facing the other way, I could see the trees every once in a while whenever you'd look up or down.
Yeah.
Or something.
The only thing that sucks is it, like, lights up my helmet, you know, like the inside of it, so there's, like, a glare, even without my goggles on. With the goggles on, you can't, like, you turned on, you're blind.
See if you can wear it around your chest.
What's going on?
That might be a better idea, something like
You might
that.
have to use a different setup, but try it around your chest or maybe even around, like, right
See,
up
I did
underneath
this on the
armpit.
TTR, though, and I loved it.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's not working, because I was wearing that helmet. Maybe that helmet.
Friend from Kansas City?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, he lives in Kansas City.
I was Walker's neighbor like a week ago. I came back, man.
So you guys know each other?
Well, we met last week when I was down here.
Oh, that's cool.
You came through too?
No, I'm living here in Ozark, guys.
Okay, nice.
Oh, that's right. You did tell me that, I think. You and Walker are like neighbors or something, aren't you?
Yeah, just kind of lost most too far from the house.
Man, I can ride the bike here. I got plates on it. I can get here in 14 miles through the back roads.